Hey guys, it is Heather and I am here with an unboxing of two different sets of items. The first is my flaming candle order. I wanted to test out some fragrances. So I got strawberries and champagne. And let me know what you guys think about this new camera angle. I'm trying to smell it. Strawberries and champagne. The first smell I get is almost like strawberry bubblicious bubblegum. And then I get that champagne smell. Kind of that bubbly, slightly alcoholic smell. And then kind of a soft powdery note. But I expected, because some of the reviews, not all of them, but some of the reviews said that it was a bit chemically smelling, and I don't smell chemical at all. Let's try peppercorn spice. This is one I was really interested in. I am not sure what this smells like. It almost has a licoricey sort of smell. It also has kind of a dry spice in the background, kind of a cinnamon clove smell. I don't know if I smell the peppercorn, although there is like a kick in there somewhere. I'm wondering if I add a vanilla to that, if it wouldn't just knock it over the edge. But I'm gonna have to test it out first. I thought that that one would be more of a masculine scent, but it smells sort of neutral. At least right now, it has kind of a neutral fragrance. Next up, we have blue sugar. And I loved pink sugar so much, I thought, you know, maybe blue sugar would be just as good. Oh. Maybe once it's in a candle or in a soap, it will smell more masculine, but this was supposed to be a masculine version. It sort of has a caramelly smell to it. Almost like an agave syrup smell. It doesn't smell powdery at all. And it does smell clean. Yeah, this is going to be another one I'm going to have to test to really know for sure. It smells wonderful though. I don't know if I would say it's a manly smell either. It is definitely more of a neutral smell, because I could see myself using that as kind of a base to a cologne or a body spray. This one is one I love. This is almond and honey. This is one of the best spa fragrances ever. And it smells exactly like it says. It's almond. It's the first thing you get, and it's in the background the whole way through. And then there's that kind of thick, sweet, dreamy quality of the honey fragrance. Oh, and it's very relaxing, kind of comforting. Similar to an oatmeal milk and honey, but without that spice kick in the background. It's all very comforting and soft, but no powder fragrance. And then they sent me a sample, and it's Wild Mountain Honey. Oh, this smells powdery. You can smell kind of a honey background to it, but it's very floral smelling and has definite powder kind of musk base to it. At least that's what I smell. One of the coolest things about Flaming Candle is they send flip tops for their bottles. I love that. It makes it so much easier when you're pouring out just enough to measure. It's kind of perfect. Now the next item that we're testing out or unboxing is from Mad Micas. I've already cut it open. And how cute. They wrote "Hi Heather" on the inside of the box. Their little red tissue paper. Now this is the first time I've ever used Mad Micas. So I am definitely excited because I've heard nothing but good things from them. Ooh, I got a little goodie. Let's see what's in here. Oh, they gave me a sample. What is this color? Aphrodite. Ooh, I can't wait to play with that. I got some candy. This is adorable. Their little card. I call my horse Mayo. Sometimes Mayo neighs. And then, of course, they have a Facebook page, which I just recently joined. And they give a lot of feedback and information about their micas. And they also respond to customer requests, but their little inserts are super, super cute. Now, what I ordered, let me grab my little invoice here. It's the Mystery Mica Takeout Box, and it comes with 10 different micas. And it's in its own cute little box, so I'm going to pull that out. And this is an awesome box to reuse, the one that it came in. But this is what the box looks like. And it's just a really cute little takeout container. And it says, contains a mystery selection of 10 1/4 ounce jars of soap stable mica. I thought this would be a really good way to test out some of their micas because I haven't really used them before. And by the way, it was supposed to be 3-day shipping. I got it in 2 days. So their shipping is wonderful. Ooh, uh-oh, it looks like something may have spilled in here. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like the purple may have had a situation. Ooh, but this is cute. This is called I Dream of Purple. Let me get a paper towel. Clean them off. You know, that sometimes happens. Micas are very light. And sometimes they do spill. I'm not stressed over that. The tops are on really tightly, so. This one is I Dream of Purple. Oh, that's, oops, that is super pretty. Look at that. And I guess since I've got it on my finger, I'll go ahead and kind of, oh, look at that color. That's gorgeous. I like it. I'm into it. And they're all supposed to be soap stable. I'm excited about that. And this one is Wicked, and it's a black. I always love testing blacks because you never know if you're going to actually get a gray or a black. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. I'm trying to kind of tilt it so you guys can see the really prettiness of that color. Is prettiness a word? Probably not. Okay, when you get these, you basically get one sample from each color story. Ooh, Green Envy. Oh, that's a beautiful green. I can't wait until I find out what that looks like in a soap. That's beautiful. Okay, this one is Blue Tide. I'm hoping you guys are able to see this. It's Blue Tide, and it doesn't look as blue as it does like a really pretty oceany teal, so it kind of makes sense that it's the tide. Okay, so far we've got blues, greens, blacks, purples, and this one is a pink. And it is called Hot Pants. Oh, that's pretty too. I'm going to do a mica line with that. That just might be the color I use in the strawberry champagne soap, because that's beautiful. Okay, here's an orange, which I guess would fall in the yellow category. Oh, it's called Pumpkin Head, and it really is a pumpkin and orange, that bright Halloween pumpkin orange. And these are really good little sample sizes, and I love the jars. Oh, and here, this is a yellow family as well. And it looks like a gold. And it is called Sister Golden Hair Surprise. Ooh, that's a yellow gold. A beautiful yellow gold. Now, something I saw with Mad Micas is they have a set of glitters that come in the spray pumps. I love that idea. I'm gonna have to invest in some of them to test them out as well. Ooh, this one's a pretty white, and it's called Here Comes the Bride. Oh, that's gorgeous. I will use this to top a soap, possibly the champagne and strawberry soap, because that's gorgeous. Do a mixture of that and the golden hair. Mad Micas, you are winning me over for real right now. Okay, now we've got a red. Oh, I'm super excited about this because I have a pink and a red. And this one is Spicy Tomato. Oh, this is gorgeous. It reminds me, ooh, what is that colorant? This is really pretty. It reminds me of a Nurture, what is that one called? Because I got a sample of it as well. Is it the Red Vibrance? Yeah, it's very similar. It's a little deeper than the Red Vibrance mica. It's more of a red. This is more of a brown-based red. That's more of an actual red-based red. So I can't wait to test this one out. Yeah, that's going to be fun. I need to do a Wizard of Oz soap and use that one. Okay, and what color is this one? Did we get another black, or is this a brown? Let's see. Ooh, this is called Tall, Dark, and Handsome. Oh, and it's a brown. It's like a deep, gorgeous chocolate brown. Oh, that's pretty too. Okay, I am very impressed, Mad Micas. And what a cute way to come up with packaging your samples in something other than just kind of an envelope. Oh, I'm really excited about this. Plus, I got an Aphrodite sample. So this is a great day for samples, or for small size that I'm going to sample. So far my favorites are the Hot Pants, the Here Comes the Bride, Sister Golden Hair, and Envy. Those are my favorites in the colors. We'll see if that changes once I'm using them. Then I do love the Strawberries and Cream, and I love the Almond and Honey from Flaming Candle. These three I'm going to have to test to see how much I like them. But I will say from Flaming Candle, I use their white tea and ginger, and it smells beautiful. So I really don't even question that they're gonna smell fantastic in the products, because everything I've gotten from them has. And I will probably let you guys know on Instagram how testing of the Micas goes. But as of right now, I'm really impressed. And I guess that's it, guys. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter at HNP Artistry or at My Mood Bath Box. And it's my-mood-bath-box.crickjoy.com for the website. And I guess that's it. This is Heather wishing you luck, love, and a really great day. Bye, guys.